Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Python Pool. In this video, we'll be seeing a circular spirograph program using turtle module in Python. So let me show you the demo program. Let me type it here, python program.py. That's how our demo program would be, and when it reaches its point, when it prints the whole patterns, it terminate itself. So let's see how could we design that. Let me code one file. Let me name it as test.py. After coding, first of all, we need to import turtle module. So let's import that module, import turtle. Okay, after importing turtle, let's set the background color of the turtle. So turtle.background color, I'll prefer using black as the background color. So let me set it to black. Set black. Okay, and I'll also define the pen size of the turtle module. Let me make the pen size of 2. That's pretty wide. Okay, and speed I'll set to 0. So turtle.speed, I'll set it to 0. Not here, but inside this bracket. So speed I'll set to 0. And after that, we need a loop which would print the respective pattern for us. So that's how we define the loop for I in range, and range would be the 6. Okay, and if I in the range of 6, and we'll be defining the list of colors. So colors, for colors in color list, and color list will be given as, okay, I'll just provide the list here. And we'll be using red color, it's pretty good. We'll be using magenta too, that's lovely color. And we'll be using blue color, that's also great. No, blue color, that's also great. And we'll be using cyan too, that's a pretty color. We're using green, yellow also, it's a cute color, yellow. And we'll be using white, it's the standard color. Okay, so these are the list. This is a list of colors we'll be using today. And if the colors lies between these colors, what we need to do, you need to set the color of turtle. So turtle.color should be in the colors, and we need to draw the circle. So we need to call the circle property of turtle. So turtle dot circle, and we pass the parameter, that's manual 100. And we need to draw all the circles in the left direction, starting from the left direction. So we'll be using left property, and we'll be defining the parameter as 10. And after that, when all this terminates, what we need to do, when we need to terminate the turtle GUI. So what we need to do, we need to call this turtle height turtle function. And that's it from our program. Let's run this program. Let me run this python test.py, and it does the work we saw at the beginning of the video. It does perfectly that work. So that's it from this video. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you.